Welcome to English Talk Trail.
Have you ever wanted to speak English, but the words did not come out?
Wait, you speak English?
Don't you speak English?
You speak English?
Have you ever understood English in your head, but felt shy to speak? You are not alone. Many English learners feel the same way. Today, you will learn how to listen, understand, and speak English step by step with confidence. In this lesson, we have 4 parts.
1. Listening practice. 2. Vocabulary. 3. Listen and answer practice. 4. Shadowing practice.
Please stay until the end. Speak out loud with me. Your English will improve today. Part 1. Listening practice.
In this part, you will listen to the full conversation at natural speed. Focus on the meaning and imagine yourself inside this English lesson.
I need you to focus here. I need you to focus for me. I need you to focus.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am doing very well. Are you ready for today's English lesson?
Yes, I am ready. I want to improve my speaking.
That is great. Why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak English at work and talk to people confidently.
That is a very good reason. Do you practice English every day?
I try to practice, but sometimes I feel tired.
That is okay. Even 10 minutes a day is helpful.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes, practice is more important than perfection.
Thank you, teacher. I feel more confident now.
Part 2. Vocabulary. In this part, you will learn important words and phrases from the conversation. I will explain them in simple English and give you examples. Please repeat after me. Improve. Meaning, to make something better. Examples: I want to improve my English. Practice helps you improve. Say it with me. Improve. Confident. Meaning, feeling sure and not afraid. Examples: I feel confident when I speak English. Confidence comes with practice. Say it with me. Confident. Practice. Meaning, do something again and again. Examples: I practice English every day. Practice makes you better. Say it with me. Practice. Ready. Meaning, prepared to do something. Examples: I am ready for the lesson. Are you ready to speak? Say it with me. Ready. Reason. Meaning, why you do something. Examples: My reason is to learn English. What is your reason? Say it with me. Reason. Tired. Meaning, feeling no energy. Examples: I feel tired today. It is okay to rest. Say it with me. Tired. Helpful. Meaning, good for you. Examples: This lesson is helpful. Practice is helpful. Say it with me. Helpful. Perfect. Meaning no mistakes. Examples: your English does not need to be perfect. Just try your best. Say it with me. Perfect. Feel. Meaning your emotion or idea. Examples: I feel happy. I feel confident. Say it with me. Feel. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. In this part, answer the questions out loud. Pause and speak before I give you the answer. Question: how does Alex feel today? Answer: he feels fine. Question: who is the teacher? Answer: the teacher is Emma. Question: what does Alex want to improve? Answer: he wants to improve his speaking. Question: why does Alex want to learn English? Answer: he wants to speak English at work. Question: does Alex practice every day? Answer: he tries to practice every day. Question: what makes Alex feel better? Answer: knowing that short practice is okay. Question: what is more important than perfection? Answer: practice is more important than perfection. Question: how does Alex feel at the end? Answer: he feels confident.
Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now, repeat each sentence after the speaker. Copy the rhythm and sound.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am doing very well. Are you ready for today's English lesson?
Yes, I am ready. I want to improve my speaking.
That is great. Why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak English at work and talk to people confidently.
That is a very good reason. Do you practice English every day?
I try to practice, but sometimes I feel tired.
That is okay. Even 10 minutes a day is helpful.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes, Practice is more important than perfection.
Thank you, teacher. I feel more confident now.
Now you can speak English with more confidence. Keep practicing every day. Even small steps matter. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below, I am learning English. Watch the next lesson and grow step by step.